So when you're in a chat or a group chat, you can go around and send files to other people. So over here, you can see that I have this chat right here. So if I want to send a file, I can click on my attachment right here and upload from my computer. So let me just go around onto the folder where I have some files. So I'm just going to go around and select some files right here and then send it out. So I can hold and shift select multiple attachments right here and then click open right here, and you can see this is what you have. So let me just go around and then send this, and then what happens is that I can go around, type in a message right over here as well, and send it out. You can see that the files are here. But whenever you're actually going around and messaging more and more and then sending out files, then you may not know where the files are. So in that case, you can go to files right here and you'll see all of the files that you have sent in that particular chat or group or channel right here. So here you can see that these are the 3 files. You can select them right here. You can download them, as you can see right here. You can copy the link. You can open them out over here as well. Open them in browser. And you have different options over here as well. If there are photos in particular, that is, if the files are photos, then you can go to photos right here just like this, and you see a preview of them as well. In my case, all of the 3 files were photos itself, so you can see all of them right here just like this, and you can click to actually zoom in, zoom out. You can download this or close it out over here just like this as well. So that is how you can send files in chat and then keep track of those files inside of chat in Microsoft Teams. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.